To see your site details, go to Site and then Site Settings on the left. Inside Site Details, you can change the name of your site and you can even change the site URL. Now, there's something to take note of here. If you change the site URL, any pages where you've used this site link will not work. So if there's any links in there going to this URL, supportdocs.newzenler.com, so whatever your site is, .newzenler.com, those links will not work if you've changed it because it's not recognized at that point. So you can change this. If you use a name that's already in our database, you won't be able to use it, so you have to select a different name, but you can change the site name as you see fit. So if I change this to support document site and I click update, it will now change that title in the top inside here. If I now visit this, you'll see that this changes to our support doc as the name of the site.